töründöy bir metine gündöy biri geleceğim Kırgızistan'ım.
Continue looking at you.
Yeah. Он на меня смотрит?
Да.
Yes.
Well, it's a kind of a mixed feeling at this stage. Mixed because on the one hand I'm happy that I'm going back to India, my own country, with my own people, to my own people. That's a difficult question. Yes, I'm a hardcore negotiator. I'm Asian. What do you think?
Okay.
Yes. The park which is close to my house, this is called the Gorky Park, which is behind this museum and the Parliament building. You know
Yeah.
that, it's the Gorky Park, right?
Горький, да?
Penfilo, sorry, Penfilo. Then it's Penfilo Park. I like the crowd and the ambience, and I particularly like the fact that you can get lost and never find your way out once you are inside the alleys. So I think that makes UNDP very unique when compared to many other universities. I don't know how to answer this question. So it's a kind of freedom. I don't need any physical object. Quality is good, yeah. It's the same Chinese. No, I liked it.
What kind of...
Yeah, very difficult question. Very difficult question. Yeah, Oh, they're absolutely beautiful people, and both my wife and I, we felt very welcomed. I'll clean up the house. I'm not really planning to sit at home. My wife and many more. I mean, I can go on and on, but very difficult to select actually. To be happy and spread happiness and do something good if you can. First of all, I congratulate all Kyrgyz people for staying so peaceful over the last many years, and I hope this country stays peaceful in coming years, and also becomes a prosperous country in this region. Your democracy is vibrant, is remarkable. You're the only parliamentary democracy in this whole region, and you've done extremely well, I would say. I wish you peaceful elections and smooth transition from one election to another, and deepening of democracy.